Hello friends! Welcome to my channel. Today I will share Japanese natural anti-aging recipes, which will help remove wrinkles, age spots, dark spots, pigmentation and tighten your skin. And prevent premature aging. Anti-aging properties. Let's get started. Our first ingredient is soaked lemon peel. Lemon peel helps to prevent and fight skin problems such as wrinkles, acne, pigmentation and dark spots. The antioxidants found in lemon peel detoxify the skin greatly. Lemon peel may help to enhance the clarity, glow, and softness of the skin. Lemon peel contains citric and plant acids that work to cleanse, lighten and brighten the skin, remove dead skin and stimulate new skin growth. The high level of powerful antioxidants that are present in lemon rind extract work great as an anti-aging ingredient. The ability of the fruit extracts to stimulate collagen production helps to prevent fine lines and wrinkles in the form of premature aging. The vitamin C in lemons helps to form collagen, a protein that supports your skin. The vitamin C, folic acid, vitamin B, and minerals in lemon may help to improve your acne, oily skin, blackheads, and dandruff. The next ingredient is aloe vera. Aloe vera, known for its healing and moisturizing properties, help improve skin elasticity and potentially reduce the appearance of wrinkles by promoting collagen production and hydration. Aloe vera contains molecules like sterols that can promote collagen and hyaluronic acid production, which are essential for maintaining skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of fine lines. Aloe vera is a great moisturizer, helping to keep skin hydrated, which can make wrinkles appear less prominent. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe irritated skin and potentially reduce inflammation that contributes to wrinkles. Aloe vera can help protect skin from sun damage, which is a major cause of premature aging and wrinkles. Some studies suggest that taking aloe vera orally, as a supplement, may also help minimize the appearance of wrinkles. Before consuming aloe vera or using it as a supplement, it's important to consult with your doctor to ensure it's safe for you. Share your beauty secrets with me. I am always looking for new ideas. And if you have a specific ingredient you'd like me to use in my next recipe, let me know. I'd love to create a special skincare treatment based on your suggestions. Your feedback is super important, so don't be shy. Drop a comment below. Combining lemon peel and aloe vera can offer benefits like brightening skin, reducing hyperpigmentation, and potentially treating acne due to the vitamin C and citric acid in lemon and the soothing, anti-inflammatory properties of aloe vera. Don't forget to give this video a like. Your support really helps and motivates me to create more amazing skincare recipes for you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. You might never find this channel again, and I don't want you to miss out on more powerful beauty and health tips. Hit that subscribe button, and let's keep going. Now, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of rice flour and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. This ingredient plays a key role in making our mask even more effective. Starch is often called a natural botox because it tightens the skin, smooths fine lines, and gives the face a firmer, more youthful look. It also helps absorb excess oil, making the skin feel fresh and matte. Plus, starch has soothing properties, reducing irritation and redness, which is great for sensitive skin. Rice flour, a staple in Japanese beauty rituals, offers benefits like gentle exfoliation, skin brightening, and potential anti-aging effects, making it a natural choice for a radiant complexion. Rice flour's fine texture gently exfoliates the skin, helping to remove dead skin cells and reveal smoother, brighter skin. The amino acids in rice flour can help tighten skin and reduce the visibility of pores, potentially minimizing the appearance of wrinkles. Rice flour contains antioxidants that can help combat free radicals, which contribute to premature aging and wrinkles. Rice flour can help retain moisture, keeping skin hydrated and plump, which can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Now, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey. This natural ingredient is a true skincare superhero. Honey deeply moisturizes the skin, keeping it soft and hydrated for hours. It's also packed with antioxidants that fight aging, smooth fine lines, and give the skin a youthful glow. Plus, honey has antibacterial properties, which help prevent breakouts and soothe irritation. With this addition, our mask becomes even more nourishing, leaving the skin fresh, radiant, and perfectly hydrated. Now, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of almond oil. You want a natural way to make your skin look better and feel smoother. Almond oil is a fantastic choice. Owing to its levels of vitamin E, it can help improve the complexion of skin and smooth blemishes. It can make wrinkles and fine lines less noticeable and give your skin a brighter look. Almond oil is rich in antioxidants and vitamins that help combat signs of aging and promote youthful-looking skin. Now, I'm adding 10 drops of vitamin C oil. A few clinical studies have demonstrated that vitamin C can improve wrinkles. One study showed that daily use of a vitamin C formulation for at least 3 months improved the appearance of fine and coarse wrinkles of the face and neck, as well as improved overall skin texture and appearance. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps defend against free radicals. To apply, take a small amount and gently massage it onto clean skin, covering your face and neck. Let it sit for about 30 minutes so all the nutrients can absorb deeply. Then, rinse it off with warm water and enjoy the soft, glowing skin. I'll store this mask in a glass jar to keep it fresh for longer. You can keep it in the refrigerator for up to 7 days, making it easy to use throughout the week. For the best results, use this mask 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll notice your skin becoming more hydrated, firm, and radiant, removing dark spots and helping skin achieve a vibrant and glowing look. It also lightly exfoliates the skin and can help the skin achieve a fresh and radiant touch. It also helps in repairing the skin's moisture and protecting the skin barrier, which makes it good for aged and dry skin. Now, I'm using the leftover aloe vera peel to make a fantastic anti-aging face oil by adding in natural ingredients. Aloe vera peel, rich in antioxidants and other beneficial compounds, can offer various skin benefits, including soothing sunburns, promoting wound healing, reducing inflammation, and potentially improving skin elasticity and hydration. Aloe vera contains antioxidants, including vitamins C and E, that protect the skin from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. This protection can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, contributing to a more youthful appearance. Aloe vera also promotes collagen production, which is vital for maintaining skin elasticity and firmness. This not only helps delay the appearance of signs of aging but also improves the overall health of your skin. When combined with its hydrating effects, aloe vera gel for dry skin helps maintain its plumpness and keep it looking youthful. Now, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of flaxseed and 2 tablespoons of white rice. Flaxseed contains alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that helps reduce inflammation. This is one of the key benefits of flaxseed for skin, as inflammation can cause various skin problems, including acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Now, I am putting all this into a jar and adding 200 milliliters of olive oil. But wondering why we are suggesting olive oil? The answer is simple: it is one of the best natural ingredients for skin care. Olive oil contains the vitamins A, D, E, and K that will nourish your skin and deeply moisturize it, making it baby soft and smooth. We have not even scratched the surface of inline olive oil. Polyphenol and squalene are strong antioxidants that fight free radicals, which in turn help slow the process of aging. Olive oil can also reduce fine lines and wrinkles, making your skin youthful and healthy. Superoleic acid soothes and restores the skin's barrier to retain moisture, which helps eliminate dryness and cracking. Additional benefits of inline olive oil extract are its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which soothe irritated skin and help heal cuts. I am going to boil the mixture for 15 minutes, and after that, I will strain the oil. Why boil it? Well, having the oil heated also helps in getting all the useful nutrients from the aloe vera peels, flaxseed, and rice, especially for the skin in question. The heat also helps in combining the ingredients' natural oils and antioxidants, which boost the skin's nourishment and rejuvenation. By boiling the olive oil mixture, essential oils and vitamins are added, making the mixture even more nutrient-rich. In addition, the warmth helps to break down the ingredients so that your skin can absorb them better when applying the oil. This allows for the mixture of simple olive oil, vitamins, and anti-inflammatory compounds to become supercharged with antioxidants, making it an efficient skincare treatment. Rice helps fight signs of aging like fine lines and wrinkles. The amino acids in rice promote skin regeneration, improving elasticity and firmness. The vitamins and minerals in rice help reduce dark spots and hyperpigmentation, giving the skin a radiant glow. Now, in order to use the oil, simply pour a generous amount on your hands, massage the oil in lightly, and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. This ensures all the nutrients and hydration are absorbed by your skin. After, simply wash it off with warm water. You will notice your hands feeling softer and looking youthful immediately after. To see the best results, try and do this treatment 1 to 2 times a week. The difference will be drastic as your hands will become smoother and refreshed. Sweet. And most importantly, I would like to know in the comment section which country are you watching this video from. I always enjoy knowing where my wonderful fans. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.